G'day, I'm Brad.
สวัสดีค่ะชา
Today we're at the neighbour's house and we're arranging for a gutter to be installed.
Yes
Middle of wet season and it's perfect time for it to happen.
Yes
Don't need to be no rich hand. Everyone just needs a hand to hold on to.
So in Thailand, neighbours help each other a lot.
Yes Yeah
They look out for each other.
Yes They help me a lot when I live here alone
So Tara and I have been very fortunate with our YouTube channel, Our Life Thai. We've met a lot of very generous people.
Yes
So they've given us money, so it's time that we gave money as well.
Yes
So the neighbours, it's been a long time that they've been struggling. The husband was out of work for a while, but they both have permanent jobs now.
Yes
He's working as a security guard,
Yes
but it's still not a lot of money. So they've had an issue with their gutter for quite some time, the gutter over their kitchen,
Yeah
which has been causing their kitchen to flood. Every time we get heavy rain, the kitchen will be full of water.
Yes
So we decided we'd help them out to the tune of 3,000 baht for a new gutter.
Yes They said they don't know how to say thank you
She's just spoke to her a little while ago. She said, "Oh, we'll help you. We'll pay you back as soon as we can." And my friend and I, we don't expect to be paid back.
Yes
Yeah.
And she said if you want anything there for help to look after she's very happy to help
Yeah, that's how it should be, and that's how it is in Thailand.
We help each other take care of each other
One of the many reasons I love living here.
Yes
You're number one, of course.
Oh thank you Thank you not forget me
So I hope you do enjoy this little video.
Yes
Yeah, we'll show you from point A to point B what happens with buying a new gutter in Thailand.
Yes
We go travel.
Go travel Where we travel
We're heading to the hardware store
Hardware store Okay
to buy the gutter.
Yes
It's not easy to video when you travel. Sorry if it's not very stable.
We sit in the ute
But we're not in the back of the ute. We're in the back
no,
seat.
inside back seat. But we didn't have seat belt.
No seat belt.
No seat belt.
But I'm feeling safe. I've stayed in the car in the ute because they're worried that we're going to be charged for lung prices if I go in there. So we'll see what sort of price they can negotiate.
So I do the price with the gutters. They sell about gutter stainless steel, 550 per 1 meter. So the kitchen is have 6 meters. And I do the price with him, so he discount me 500 per 1 meters. So about 3,000 baht for the gutter stainless steel.
Gang muck, baby. Well done.
Okay. He will come tomorrow evening to fix that. So I have to put my phone number and the address for him.
Okay. Tara's already negotiated the price, so the owner's not actually here, so I'm free to investigate. So that's the stainless steel that they're going to be using. Swadee Cup. So just have a look at what this business does. So anything to do with steel, so guttering and roofing, gates and fences. Got the balustrades for the stairs. We're back in our village. And we're shopping for a sheet to put on our roof because we've got a bit of a hole. Hello! These guys are so shy. It's my first trip here. I've never actually been in this hardware shop before. Don't be eye. For all you hardware enthusiasts, I'll have to come and do a tour around here. It's big.
You want 1.2 or 1.5 mirror? Which one? Yeah, 1.2 or 1.5.
1.2. It's not very big.
Not long?
It's not long, no.
You want clear or clear green or clear bright? Clear or pink? Clear.
Green.
Green. Clear green? You clear green?
Can we have a look? Do they?
แบบไหนพี่ดูไม่ออกในซอยตรงนี้ใช่ไหมคะ
เอาอย่างนี้แหละหน้าบ้านเลยนะ
เริ่มมาไปเอาลองถ้วยที่เขาดูหน่อยไอ้เกิดว่าใส่ที่เอาให้
เลยนะ
เดี๋ยวก็ใส่ปิ้ง
ขนาดไหน
เนี่ยเต้ยเข้าไปในเนี้ย
ยังไงนะตัวนี้
ที่มะนาวอยู่อะเต้
นี่
ย
ก็นะเช็คก่อนดูสายเขียวก็ใสเขียวก็ใสปิ้ง it's green clear green or clear white เอาได้มั้ยเอาไปเลยพี่เอาลงไปอันไหนลงไปเองอ๋อ I think it's clear
What, what's that one clear?
yeah clear green
Okay, yeah.
100 baht okay done finish
Are you happy?
yeah okay
Cup and cup. So we have Long working now.
yes you're gonna change the roof for us
This is our neighbour, their grandson, and I've nicknamed him. Ling. Ling is monkey in Thai.
monkey and Thai
Ling, get off the bed.
เฮ้ย
Ling, get off. เร็ว
เอามา
Baby, do you want to have kids?
no oh
What are you doing, Ling?
so the kids do not stop can't stay มาทางนี้
Bye, Ling. So your roof is fixed, baby. You happy?
yeah very happy it's very nice it's broke before but it's okay our neighbor fix fast
Yeah.
Thank you.
Gang Mak. He's a good man.
yeah he's very good
Very good neighbour.
yes we so lucky have the neighbor around here is a very good person
Yeah. Very lucky indeed. We love our village.
yes we have everything here
Just saying to Tar, it's amazing what the damage the sun does.
there's a
It's exactly the same sheet, but half of it was exposed to the sun and the other half not. Crazy.
very good so
So that's why we don't put our skin in the sun, baby. The sun does that sort of damage.
burn everything
Ling, what are you doing back here? Ling, are you happy?
ฮะ
What have you lost?
เอาอะไร เอาอะไร ไม่เอา
My owl?
ไม่เอาเอาไปทิ้งกันจะไปทิ้งข้างนอกครับวางหัวนะ
Fortunately, the rain's not too bad. A couple of days ago, it was raining really heavy. And that's when they had the main problem. The entire kitchen was flooded. It's all happening, baby. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. at the neighbor house.
Great time to be getting a gutter installed. Wet season. It's raining, of course, in Thailand.
It's raining. You have to wait.
That's why we need the gutter.
ไม่หนูไปตลาดบางทีหนูไม่รู้ว่าเขาอยู่บ้านอะไรคน
ที่อยู่บ้านมาแต่เช้านั้นผมไม่ถูก
อ๋อเหรอ
เข้าโรงงานไม่ได้
อ๋อเหรอคะ
ผมมานอน
อ๋อรู้ยินเขาตามไปเข้าบ้านนะเขาคิดว่าติดงาน
มาแต่เช้า
Most of the old gutter's not too bad. It's just the point where the water drained into the downpipe. That's the area that was damaged.
แต่ให้เขาเนี่ยเขาให้เขาเอาให้เขาขอบคุณมากครับพี่ขอบคุณนะขอบคุณค่ะบอกว่าเขาทำเสร็จแล้วนะเดี๋ยวก็
ไม่เป็นไร
ไม่เป็นไรเอาทำมาจัดมาพี่หมอเขาทำล้างน้ำเสร็จแล้วนะคะเรียบร้อยแล้วก็3,000 บาทไม่เป็นไรเดี๋ยวช่วยกันขอบคุณนะขอบคุณแบท
Yeah, happy babe.
Yeah, very happy. Yes, good.
So very, very happy that we saved them from another night of having to worry about their kitchen.
yeah.
and clean out the flood in the morning.
Yeah, the kitchen broke a lot. So since they bought this house, they never change that. They just fix. They just fix it. It's the broke.
Yeah.
It leaking. They try to fix it, but sometimes doesn't work.
Yeah,
So the kitchen broke a lot.
I'm very happy. Awesome.
Yeah, very happy too.
So we don't have to worry about the rain. They're all good.
Yeah, yes. And the neighbor, she says she can sleep good at night because don't you worry about the flood in the kitchen at the morning again.
And as we say in Australia,
Yeah.
send her down Huey.
So down here. What's that mean?
It means it can rain as much as it wants,
Yes.
and we don't care.
Yeah.
G'day, I'm Brad.
สวัสดีค่ะชา
Today we have a bit of an advent.
โอเคโอ้ยมาแล้ววิดีโอเสร็จแล้วเนี่ยมันจะไปตะกี้เนี่ยช่างเนี่ยเสร็จแล้วโอเค
Thanks for watching. You're so Jai. And don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, click like, and if you loved it, subscribe. Take care.